Hey guys, this is Abhishek from Technics Media, and today we are going to do a quick comparison of Nokia Lumia 620 which we have with us. This is how the Nokia Lumia 620 looks like, and we have the latest Nokia Lumia 520 which has been just announced by Nokia here in India. It is going to be available in India by the April month, by the end of that month basically, and this is how both of these phones looks like. Still, it is actually bigger in size, as you can see. Lumia 520 is little bit bigger as compared to Lumia 620, as you can see. If we take a look at the back side, the Lumia 620 has a 5 megapixel camera, as well as Lumia 520 also has a 5 megapixel camera, but this one has a flash and 520 doesn't have a flash. If we talk about the loudspeaker, the position of the loudspeaker is almost the same, as you can see on both of these devices. And if we take a look at the front side is almost similar, although there is a little difference in the display size. Lumia 520 is 4-inch, whereas it is 3.8-inch on Lumia 620. So this is how the display on both of these devices looks like. I would say right now the display on 520 is looking much better, as well as the viewing angles. If you talk about the viewing angles are actually much better on Lumia 520 as compared to 620, because the Lumia 520 has an IPS LCD display, whereas the 620 has a TFT display on the other hand. If we talk about the pixel densities of these display, we have 235 pixels per inch on Lumia 520, whereas it is 246 pixels per inch on Lumia 620 as far as the display is concerned. If we talk about the brightness of the display, I would say Lumia 620 has a brighter display as compared to 520. Now if we talk about the battery on Nokia Lumia 520 is 1430 mAh, whereas it is 1300 mAh on 620. So battery wise 620 is a little bit lesser. If we talk about the front camera, Lumia 620 has a front camera, whereas there is no front camera on Lumia 520, as you can see. Look wise, Lumia 520 looks little bit bigger from the display point of view, from the front side as well as from the back side, as you can see. If we talk about the location of the buttons, both the phones have the similar location of the buttons in terms of the overall location. And then you have a 3.5mm audio jack here on 620, whereas it is on the right side on 520. This one has a secondary mic as well here for noise cancellation, but I don't see a secondary mic over here, although this one has a primary as well as secondary mic both, but they are not visible over here. We have no buttons on the left side of these phones. If we talk about the location of the buttons of the soft keys, here you have the soft keys on both of these devices. The soft keys are similar, again the same window style which you see. And if we talk about the processor, both of them have same Snapdragon processor, exact model number. Both of them has 8 GB of RAM. Both of them has the same GPU, that is the Adreno 305 GPU. Both of them support micro SD memory card slot, so you can actually expand the storage of these devices, which can be up to maximum 64 GB, which will be supported on the device. If we talk about the video recording capabilities, the camera on both of these devices is 5 megapixel and they can record high definition video at 720p, so that is again same. But the major difference is that you do not have a front camera on 520, whereas you have a front camera on Lumia 620. It is actually a VGA camera. So that's all from us regarding the quick hands-on comparison of Lumia 620 and 520. Thanks for watching this video. Do like this video if this video helped you. You can subscribe to our YouTube video channel for more videos like this. This is Abhishek signing off. Thank you.